Hey guys, in this video I will show you why your phone is saying emergency calls only and how to fix it fast. Alright, let's begin. First, restart your phone. Power it off completely, wait for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes your network connection. Next, swipe down from the top of the screen, enable airplane mode, wait for 10 seconds, then disable it. This forces your phone to reconnect to nearby mobile towers. After that, select your network manually. Go to Settings, open Mobile Network, tap Network Operators, and choose your carrier manually from the list. This helps if automatic selection fails. Then, reset network settings. Go to Settings, then scroll down and open General Management. After that, tap Reset and select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Now tap Reset Setting. This will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. Finally, check for a software update and install it if available. So that's basically how you can fix emergency calls only on your phone. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.